The impact of Friday's decision was swift, and in some states with so-called trigger laws in effect, abortion clinics closed down and stopped providing services almost immediately. Jackson Women's Health Organization, the Mississippi clinic at the center of the Supreme Court case, and the state's only abortion provider, is expected to shut down within weeks. Omar Villafranca is in Dallas on how this decision already is being felt. Omar, good morning.
Good morning. There were protests here in Dallas and in states across the South where those trigger laws went into effect. To give you an idea of the impact, if a woman here in Dallas wanted to get an abortion, to get to the nearest clinic, she would have to travel more than 350 miles, 2 states away, to Wichita, Kansas.
With the country's abortion laws now up to the states, Arkansas went into action yesterday.
For me, this is a turning point for our nation. Since Roe v. Wade was decided, the states that desired to protect unborn life have been prohibited from doing so.
In Oklahoma, any medical staff performing abortions could face prison time. Oklahoma is one of 8 states where the court's ruling triggers abortion bans with no exceptions for rape or incest.
God did this.
In Louisiana, the last abortion clinic closed down yesterday.
And what you have prayed for is to make death for women easier because you don't allow them access to good medical care.
Throughout the country, abortion activists say that poor women, many of color, will be hit hardest.
You're basically sentencing Black women to death because already we're dying in childbirth.
Missouri Congresswoman Cori Bush.
I was able to pick up the yellow pages and find the provider when I was 18 after a rape that happened when I was 17 and get the services that I needed.
Activists and some governors are doubling down in an already divided country.
We are going to fight like hell to keep Washington a pro-choice state.
Washington state has 40 abortion clinics. Neighboring Idaho has 3. Which could close after the state's governor saluted the Supreme Court's decision. Washington expects a nearly 400% increase in abortion patients. Nearly 60% already come from Idaho.
With the action that I'm taking here.
California's governor quickly signed legislation yesterday to protect out-of-state women who come for abortion.
Extraordinary leadership.
It's worth noting the landmark Roe v. Wade case started here in Dallas. Henry Wade was the former Dallas County District Attorney. Well, now the current Dallas DA and several others across the state of Texas say they understand the law, but they will not make prosecuting abortions a top priority. Dana?
All right, Omar, thank you.